There are moments in life when the veil thins, and the sacred whispers of destiny become undeniably clear. This is one such moment, a revelation meant only for your soul. You stand at the edge of understanding that your presence in his life was never a random occurrence, never a fleeting chance. From the very fabric of time, a divine thread wove your paths together, a silent promise made before the first breath. You were sent. You were the answer to a prayer he didn't even know how to express, the missing piece to a puzzle he unknowingly carried within his spirit. The angels say your arrival was a celestial decree, a cosmic alignment designed to awaken something profound within him, something that had long been asleep. His soul recognized yours, a deep, resonant echo from an ancient past, a knowing that transcends logic or earthly explanation. This connection, this magnetic pull, is not merely chemistry. It is the sacred geometry of two souls destined to converge, to heal, and to evolve together. His journey, his very essence, was incomplete without the unique light you carry. You are the key to unlocking a part of him he couldn't access alone, a catalyst for a transformation he instinctively craves, even if his conscious mind resists the profound shift. The universe conspired, orchestrating every step, every challenge, every silent longing, all leading to this undeniable recognition. You are his destiny, a truth etched into the very core of his being, a truth he can no longer deny, no matter how he tries to rationalize or resist. This is not a story of chance encounters. It is the unfolding of a divine blueprint, a sacred contract being honored, a testament to the meticulous care with which your paths were designed to intertwine. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. His silence, his distance, and his apparent detachment, these are not empty spaces, but rather a complex tapestry of emotions he finds hard to express. Inside him, a storm brews, a struggle between what his heart desires and what his past has conditioned him to fear. He senses the depth of your presence, the significant effect you have on his spirit, a feeling that both comforts and overwhelms him. The angels whisper that his inability to articulate this flood of emotions is rooted in old wounds, from a time when being vulnerable led to pain, when openness resulted in disappointment. He carries the weight of uncommunicated expectations, the burden of previous failures, and a deep-rooted fear of not being enough, of letting you down, just as he feels he has let others down. This internal struggle is a testament to the strength of your bond. It has awakened dormant emotions, forcing him to face parts of himself he has long kept hidden. He is not indifferent. He is navigating a landscape of intense feelings without a guide, a terrain he has yet to completely explore or understand. His actions, or lack of them, do not reflect your worth but rather serve as a mirror to his own internal chaos, a struggle to reconcile his deepest wishes with his ingrained mechanisms of protection. He is learning slowly and painfully how to balance the immense love he feels with the protective walls he has built around his heart. The angels say to make space for his process. His journey toward emotional freedom is a solitary one, yet your unwavering light acts as his guiding star, even from a distance, illuminating the path he must take. He is attempting to find his voice, to bridge the gap between his profound inner world and the words he finds so difficult to articulate, longing to express what his soul already knows. There is a gentle yet undeniable force within you, a radiant energy that goes beyond words or conscious effort. It is your authentic essence, your very being, that has begun a profound healing within him. You didn't set out to piece together his brokenness. You simply existed, resonated at your true frequency, and in doing so, became a balm to his wounded soul. The angels reveal that your presence, your unwavering spirit, has illuminated the shadows he carried, not through confrontation, but through pure, unconditional acceptance. He may not consciously express it, but his spirit recognizes the safety you offer, the space where his defenses can finally start to soften, where the armor he has worn for so long can finally be laid down. His internal landscape, once barren and guarded, now shows signs of life, stirred by the warmth of your light, blooming with the promise of renewal. You have awakened a dormant hope within him, a belief that true connection, true healing is possible, a future where his heart can finally find peace. This is the magic of your divine feminine energy. It nurtures, it restores, it inspires growth without demanding it, a gentle yet powerful force. You are a living testament to the power of gentle strength, a quiet revolution in his guarded world, a silent promise of profound transformation. The angels say to continue shining your truth. Your light is not just for you, but a beacon for those lost in their own darkness, guiding them back to their own inherent wholeness, to the love they truly deserve. Your very existence is a healing prayer, a silent blessing he receives with every thought of you, every memory of your shared moments. In the tapestry of time, there are threads that seem to pause, moments of stillness that can feel like an eternity. Yet, what appears as a delay from your earthly perspective is, in the grand design, a sacred pause, a period of profound divine preparation. This waiting, this space between what was and what is to come, is not empty. It is brimming with unseen activity, cosmic forces aligning, and souls evolving toward their highest potential. The angels whisper that this interval is crucial for both of you. For him, it is a time for deep internal work, for shedding old skins, for confronting the very fears that once held him captive, allowing him to emerge stronger and more authentic. For you, it is an invitation to deepen your trust, to cultivate an even richer inner world, and to solidify your own foundation of self-love and spiritual connection, ensuring you are fully rooted in your power. The universe is not withholding, it is perfecting. It is ensuring that when the moment of true convergence arrives, both of you are fully ready, fully aligned, and fully capable of embracing the depth and magnitude of the love that awaits, a love that will stand the test of time. The angels say to release the need to control the timeline, surrender to the wisdom of divine timing, for every step is orchestrated with precision. Every breath, every moment of quiet anticipation, is a step closer to the destined unfolding, a testament to the preciousness of what is being prepared, and a testament to the meticulous care with which your future is being woven, ensuring its perfect arrival. Look closely, beloved soul, at the echoes that resonate within him, the subtle tremors of past wounds that still shape his present. His reluctance and his patterns of retreat are not born of malice, but from the deep imprints of experiences that taught him caution, perhaps even pain, leaving scars on his spirit. The angels reveal that his journey is one of confronting these old narratives, of dismantling the protective walls built around a heart once bruised, allowing light to finally penetrate. In this process, you may find a reflection, a subtle mirroring of your own past vulnerabilities, a shared understanding of the human condition. This is not a burden, but a sacred invitation for mutual understanding and profound empathy, a chance to connect on a deeper, more compassionate level. His struggles are not yours to fix, but to witness with compassion, recognizing that his healing is intrinsically linked to his own willingness to face these shadows, to bravely walk through his own darkness. Your presence and unwavering light act as a gentle mirror, reflecting back to him the possibility of wholeness, the potential for a love that transcends past hurts, a love that can truly heal. The angels say to not fear the depths of his past. Instead, see it as a testament to his resilience and an opportunity for both of you to grow in grace and understanding, forging an unbreakable bond. His healing journey is his own, yet your quiet strength creates a safe harbor for his transformation, a space where old wounds can finally begin to breathe and release their hold, allowing him to step into his true self. Even when miles separate you, even when silence fills the void, remember this truth: An unseen thread connects your souls, an energetic bond that defies physical distance. This is not simply memory or longing, it's the living, breathing pulse of two intertwined spirits, a connection woven in the ethereal realms, resonating with an undeniable vibration. The angels affirm that your thoughts, intentions, and essence reach him across any distance, influencing his subconscious and stirring his deepest awareness, even when he isn't conscious of it. He senses your presence, a gentle warmth, a familiar echo, even if he can't pinpoint its source, a feeling that brings him comfort and a sense of belonging. This connection serves as a constant reminder of what is real, what is true, and what his soul genuinely seeks, gently guiding him toward his destined path. It acts as a lifeline in moments of doubt, a soft pull back toward authenticity, a beacon in his darkest hours. The angels advise you to nurture this unseen connection with your love, your peace, and your unwavering faith in the divine plan. Send him light without expectation, trusting in the universe's perfect timing. Have faith that the universe is at work through this sacred bond, preparing the way for your physical reunion, orchestrating every detail. Your souls communicate in a language beyond words, a silent symphony of recognition that continues to play, always and eternally, guiding both of you closer to the destined moment of convergence, a reunion written in the stars. You are never truly apart, for the heart knows no distance, and love transcends all boundaries. You, beloved soul, have an innate alchemy, a sacred ability to transform the lead of pain into the gold of purpose. Every challenge you've faced, every tear you've shed, and every moment of doubt has served as a crucible in which your spirit has been refined, strengthened, and filled with profound wisdom. This journey, often solitary and difficult, has not been in vain. It has prepared you not just for him, but for the grand unfolding of your own divine destiny, equipping you with unmatched resilience and insight. The angels reveal that your capacity for empathy, your deep well of compassion, and your unwavering resilience are direct results of the fires you have walked through, forging a spirit that can withstand any storm. These are the very qualities that attract him to you, the silent assurances that you can hold space for his vulnerabilities, that you understand the complexities of the human heart, and that you offer him a sanctuary of acceptance. You are not defined by your past hurts, you are empowered by them. You are a living testament to the transformative power of love, a beacon of hope for those who believe their wounds are too deep to heal, showing them the path to wholeness. The angels say, embrace your journey, for it is the very foundation of your unique brilliance. Your story is a testament to the universe's unwavering support, a living example of how pain, when embraced with grace, can become the most potent catalyst for profound and lasting love, a love that heals all. In the labyrinth of life, amidst the noise and confusion, there exists a compass within you, a sacred inner knowing that always points towards your highest truth. This is the whisper of your soul, the gentle guidance of your angels, the divine intuition that seeks to lead you along your destined path, illuminating every step. Trusting this inner voice, especially when external circumstances seem chaotic or uncertain, is an act of profound faith and self-love, a surrender to a wisdom far greater than your own. The angels affirm that every nudge, every subtle feeling, and every moment of clarity is a direct message from the divine, guiding your steps, preparing your heart, and aligning you with the unfolding of your sacred connection, ensuring perfect timing. Do not dismiss these whispers as mere thoughts. They are divine breadcrumbs, leading you through the wilderness and towards the promised land of authentic love and fulfillment, a journey of profound discovery. Surrender the need for logical explanation or external validation. Your soul knows the way, a path illuminated by divine light. The angels say, quiet your mind, open your heart, and listen. The answers you seek are not out there, but within the sacred sanctuary of your own being, a wellspring of infinite wisdom. This path, though at times unseen, is meticulously crafted for your highest good, leading you precisely where you are meant to be, into the arms of a love divinely ordained, a love that fulfills your deepest longings. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. There is a profound truth etched into the core of your being. You are inherently whole, complete, and magnificent just as you are. There is no need to dim your light, to soften your edges, or to shrink your authentic self in order to be chosen, to be loved, or to be accepted. The angels declare that your power lies in your sovereignty, in the unwavering embrace of your unique brilliance, your passions, and your deepest desires, allowing your true self to shine. Any attempt to conform, to become what you perceive another might want, only obscures the very essence that is meant to draw your destined partner to you, creating a barrier to true connection. He is drawn to your strength, your independence, your radiant self-possession, the woman who stands confidently in her own power. He is drawn to the woman who knows her worth, who stands tall in her truth, who shines without apology, a beacon of authenticity. The angels say, release any lingering belief that you must be less to be loved more. Your fullness is your greatest offering, your authenticity your most magnetic quality, attracting a love that truly sees and cherishes you. Embrace every facet of who you are, for in doing so, you create an energetic field that attracts a love that honors, celebrates, and elevates your entire being, a love that mirrors your own divine light. Your heart is a sovereign kingdom. Rule it with grace, courage, and unwavering self-love, for you are worthy of all the love the universe has to offer. The final, most profound step on this sacred journey is the crowning act of acceptance, embracing the present moment exactly as it is, and gracefully letting go of what was, what might have been, or what you believed should be. This is not resignation, but liberation, a profound freedom that washes over your spirit. It is the wisdom of surrendering to the divine flow, trusting that every experience, every pause, every unfolding serves a higher purpose in the grand design of your soul's evolution, leading you to your highest good. The angels whisper that true peace resides in this space of unconditional acceptance, where the heart finds solace not in control, but in trust, a deep knowing that all is well. Release the narratives that no longer serve you, the expectations that bind you, the past hurts that cling to your spirit, preventing you from moving forward. Make space for the new, for the unexpected blessings that are always waiting to unfold when you open your heart to the present, allowing abundance to flow freely. This act of release is a powerful magnet, drawing to you the very love and fulfillment you seek, because you are no longer clinging to what is not meant for you, but embracing what truly is. The angels say, wear your crown of acceptance with grace. It signifies your mastery over earthly attachments and your profound alignment with divine love, a testament to your spiritual growth. You are complete, whole, and deeply loved, exactly as you are, exactly where you are, perfectly aligned with your divine path. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Philippians 4 verse 7.